Okay.
Welcome back at Travel Goes. My name is Ryan,
My name is Kenny.
and in today's video we are telling you all about
Sardinia.
Italy.
Her parents arranged a vacation for us. So we got a few tips how to survive a vacation with your in-laws. But that's
For the next one,
for the
for
next
next
one.
video. Today's video we are going to talk about what you can do in Sardinia, at least what we have done here, because it's an island for the coast of in front of the coast of Italy. We come from the Netherlands. It's the half of the size of the Netherlands. It's around 24,000
Square kilometers.
yes, but the distances are pretty big, so we only saw a really small part of the island, so a reason to come back.
Yeah. So we saw northeast
Yes.
of the island. First thing, what did we do?
First thing was relaxation. So we went to a lot of beaches. Some of us, because we are a group of 10, 9.5 people, one needed to leave earlier. But we did some beach hopping, relaxation, just enjoying the various beaches.
Yes.
The water is amazing. So blue, so clear.
Yeah. So yeah, we really enjoyed it. So if you're here, already check out the different beaches.
Yes.
Because you can say water is water, but that's not entirely true.
No.
There are
It's
quite a lot of
really,
differences.
really nice. It's just like if you open the tap water, it's the same color. So it's it's amazing.
Yeah. So it's crystal clear to see.
Yes.
Yeah. Very, very nice.
Then we went
On a boat trip.
on a boat trip. We went 2 days on a boat trip. One day was arranged, so we had a captain, Alessio. He showed us around different part of the Magdalena's Island.
Yeah.
And the second day, the second time,
Second time.
we had 2 boats. So we divided the group, and we just went on discovery
By
the
our own.
islands by our own. Yeah.
Yeah. So it was also kind of nice to just, drive around a little bit on the waters. And yeah, the weather was also perfect. And also the little base where we drove into with our boat was also very beautiful, because also there the water was very, very crystal clear.
Yes.
Yes.
And what I really enjoyed, that was something I never experienced. I don't know if it's something typical here in Italy, but there was this ice cream car boat. So that was really funny. There was just a boat with some ice.
Selling ice cream
Yeah,
on the water. Yeah.
it was really cool. We didn't bought any ice cream because we just ate a lot and we were just completely full, but it was really funny to see. Yeah. Another good thing about Italy is the food. We went to a couple different places, and there's one we really enjoyed, so we went twice. But the food is just really good, and
I even had the same lunch twice. So that's how good it was.
yeah. So it's Italy is a good place only to have for a real foodie to have a good experience.
Yeah.
Cheers! Local supermarket. Love to visit them.
I got my bags packed, timeline.
So what?
So we went to this cute bakery, and we asked him, okay, so what would you recommend? And he said, I would absolutely eat this one. So my sister tried, and oh my gosh, it was so good. So now we bought 10 of those things. So we don't need to share, because otherwise we're going to fight. No, just kidding, but we don't need to share. So.
Well, we're gonna fight as well.
So, yeah. Finally, time to try.
And how is it? How does it taste?
Really good. It's crispy, creamy, delicious.
Yeah, we also visited some cities. They were rather small, but quite nice to see. And one we visited a church, little church, and the other one we visited like a big stone, a big rock that looks has a resemblance of a mushroom. So it was also quite funny to see. Yeah.
Welcome to Oglia, one of the biggest cities in Sardinia.
See, funny thing about love is you never really know when it's coming, but you better believe you'll know when it's there. True story. I must have been searching, though I wasn't looking for much, checking out the scene.
So we would recommend to rent a car on this island because even though there is some public transportation, it's
Far easier.
yes, it's easier, more convenient, and you get to more places.
Yeah. So yeah, this is quite a tip from us. If you're in that place position, rent a car, because that makes travel a lot easier around the island.
Yes. And what we also really enjoyed about Sardinia is the nature. We did one hike, the so-called health trail. It was a bit
Challenging.
challenging for some of us, but still really fun and cool. And just consider the weather. Just make sure you check it out because it can be quite hot during the day. So start earlier with those kind of walks. But the nature, even from the car or from the boat, it's just really cool to see. So if you like these tips,
Hit the like button and subscribe down under. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.